Guys, very good afternoon. My name is Pankaj Lohia and welcome to my YouTube channel, Pankaj Lohia Blogger. So guys, I am going to show you the beautiful scenes over here in my village in Uttarakhand. So right now I am in Mr. Jituka's home, okay, and the weather is also very fantastic. So we are sitting on the ground, and Mr. Jituka has just spreaded this mat. On this mat, he has just put some grains like wheat and paddy so that it gets dried in the sun, right? So one side is wheat and another side is paddy. He's just drying these grains so that he could just take it to the nearby chakki and get the flour, right? So slowly I'm just moving my camera towards this area where you can see the plant of pumpkin. The length and broadness of this area is totally covered by this plant, which is the plant of pumpkin. I don't know whether any pumpkin is grown or not because it's very dirty area and we can't go there in order to see if there is any pumpkin or not because this is the very scary area. Any snake might can come out from this area, right? And I'm just moving my camera towards this area, and this plant name is cucumber plant, right? There are some cucumbers which are hanging on this tree, on this plant, sorry. One cucumber is here and I can't see anymore. Anyways, so this is the cat sitting on the stairs. Can you see? I'm going to just touch its tail. Oh my god, oh my god, it is trying to bite me. So slowly I'm heading towards to this tap. This tap has been provided by the government of Uttarakhand and it has been just put here since 2000 and I think 19 or 20. Still the water supply is not available here. Anyways, they are already having one more tap, right? So you can see the entire scene of this area. And I'm just moving upside now so that I can show you the entire location. Wow, great, superb. This tap is leaking. The water supply is permanently available here 24 into 7. But there is only one thing which is very bad. It's just that this tap is leaking. I don't know when they are going to buy the new one. Having said that, the water is absolutely 24 into 7 available. So I'm going to zoom in my camera so that you can see the small kid over there nearby that tap, and that kid name is Tamanna Bhatia, okay? And here you can see Mr. Jituka who is just taking care of this grain, and Tamanna Bhatia had just come towards me. Come here, hey Tamanna, come here. I'm just shooting the video. Tamanna has come now and she is laughing. She is very ecstatic I don't know what she has seen upside. She's scared. Yes, and Hina is just indicating that there is one cat, and she's asking me to capture its video as well. Anyways, Hina is very happy and she's laughing a lot because she's feeling very, very excited. She's very excited because she's being captured in this video. That is why. And this is the hen which is taking the paddy. Even though this person is, taking care of these grains, having said that, this hen is taking the grains. Okay. So I don't know why Tamanna Bhatia has gone back. Tamanna, just come. Come here. Tamanna is not coming towards me. Anyways, this is Mr. Jituka. I have just zoomed out my camera so that you can see the entire video of this great man. He does all the household works like cooking food, looking after the children, and doing all the things like filling water, cooking food, and so on. Okay. So the weather is very fantastic over here. You can see the sky is really, really fantastic. There are no chance today whether the rain will be there or not today. We are not sure about it. And she is Tamanna Bhatia once again has come here, and that is Mr. Yashwant. Yashwant, please come here. What are you eating? What are you eating? Kurkure or what? Okay, guys, I just want to show you one more thing. You must be seeing, you must be looking at the different scenes, the different kind of locations. I'm just hoping that you must be enjoying whatever the things you are, coming across. So my intention is just to capture the videos, shoot the videos so that you can, come across the different things which are available in Uttarakhand. And I also wanna show you the culture and tradition, everything. All right. So this is our goat, and this is the plant of cucumber. This is our plant. No cucumber is available here. Earlier one cucumber was grown there, but we have already eaten it, and we are expecting some more cucumber from this plant. All right, guys. So slowly I'm just moving this camera so that you can see the entire location, like river, cucumber plants, pumpkins plant, and some children are here, Anyways, guys, I'm just heading towards to my home. I'll see you later on with the very beautiful video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.